Hey, welcome to the show. Today we got a division problem for you. It is a 4-digit number divided by a 1-digit number, and this problem is requested from Anna Espinoza. I always like looking at the comments down below, and sometimes I'll choose one of your problems and do it on the show. So today, thank you very much, Anna, and we're going to do your problem. We're dealing with 4. We need to take 4 and put it into this number. And so what I did is I went ahead and wrote the times table for the 4s. So I took 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. So if you don't know your times tables, sometimes it might be a good idea to either have a paper with your times tables, or you can write about it on the side. But I highly recommend to try to memorize your multiplication numbers. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take your name right here and just I'm going to just put it off to the side here. And that way I have some room to work with here. All right. How many times can I put 4 into 7? How many times do you think I can do that? Well, 4 times 1 equals 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 is bigger than 7. So if the number is bigger than this number here, it's too big, so we need to go down to 4 times 1. So I'm going to put 1 right here. So then 1 times 4 is 4. And then our next step is we're going to use subtraction. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract. And then 7 minus 4 equals 3. I'll put the 3 right here. And then the next step is to bring the next number straight down. Right there. So I have 38. And then I'm going to start the whole process over. So again, how many times can I put 4 into 38? Well, let's look right here. I have 4 times 9 equals 36. And 4 times 10 would be 40. And that's too big. So we're going to stick with 4 times 9. So I'm going to go ahead and put 9 right here. And then 9 times 4 equals 36. And then I have subtraction. And then 8 minus 6 would be 2. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 right here. And I have some more work, but I need to make this problem a little bit smaller. So I have plenty of room to work here. So that's the nice thing about working with a smartboard. I can change the size of my problem. All right, let's move that over here. All right, let's continue. So now, again, I'm going to drop the next number down, just like this. Do a little beatbox in there. So I have the number 28. All right, so again, how many times can I put 4 into 28? Look right here. I have 4 times 7. 4 times 7 does equal 28. So let's go ahead and put the 7 right here. And 7 times 4 equals 28. And then I subtract. And I would have a 0, and then my next step is to drop that next number down. So I'm going to drop it all the way down. I like using these lines just for teaching. It kind of helps organize things. So now I have a 4, and how many times does 4 go into 4? 1 time, uno. All right, so I'm going to put the 1 right here, and then 1 times 4 equals 4, subtract, and I have a remainder of 0. So, Anna, the answer would be 1,971. Hey, thanks a lot for requesting that problem. I'd sure appreciate it if you can hit that likey button down there. Oh my goodness, if I can get 100 likes on this video, that would be awesome. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss one exciting episode. Hey, I hope you guys are having a great time out there. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.